Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Gsis portal and signing in or registering with a valid email. Enter your UMID or Gsis number exactly as shown on your card. This links your records. Once done, set a strong password and verify your email to unlock application functions. Make sure your ID photo and scan documents meet size and format rules so you don't get interrupted later. This initial setup reduces errors and lets you proceed straight into the application form. You'll now work through the form section by section, starting with personal details and beneficiary data, because accurate matching prevents rejection. Upload each document where indicated. Use PDF or JPG, keeping files under the portal's size limits. Once uploaded, preview each attachment to confirm readability. If you encounter a field with a drop-down or code, choose the closest match and add clarifying notes where allowed. Save after each major section, so your entries persist if the session expires. You finish by reviewing the application summary line by line, then accept the declaration and submit. Write down the receipt or transaction number immediately for tracking. Expect a confirmation email and check your Gsis dashboard for processing updates or requests for additional documents. If the application is returned or rejected, focus on the stated error code. Correct the exact field, replace any unreadable attachment, and resubmit promptly. This approach speeds approval and avoids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.